Hello, welcome to the Siege blog series on organization and self-promotion for artists and entrepreneurs. In this series, we'll go over how to set goals and organize your time so that you can maximize productivity, enjoy more free time, promote yourself, and get ahead. Whether you are an actor trying to make it big or an entrepreneur contractor, this series will help you self-start, self-motivate, and organize the limitless potential futures ahead. Our main focuses will be setting your goals, planning out the achievement of those goals by grouping them into manageable chunks, and the creation and organization of your marketable material. Another main focus of this series will be how to and why you should shift your organizational systems like calendars and lists from physical mediums to digital ones. Thanks for making us a part of your journey. Let's get started. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to watch more in this series, check for links in the description.